So, okay, now let us do another problem on the bisection method, but with a little bit of different procedure or by using the table. Okay. So, what is the question here? Find the approximate value of the real root of x cube minus x minus 1 is equals to 0 by using the bisection method. So, we have to find out the root of the equation x cube minus x minus 1 is equals to 0 using the bisection method. So, let us take the function as f of x is equals to x cube minus x minus 1. So, we have to find out the root of the equation number 1. So, now as I said earlier, we have to find out two values at which the function value at those 2 points are of opposite sign. So now, so at a is equals to 1, so the function value is f of 1 is equals to 1 cube minus 1 minus 1. So that is equals to minus 1, that is less than 0, negative. The function value is negative at a is equals to 1. Similarly, at b is equals to 2, the function value is f of 2 is equals to 2 cube minus 2 minus 1. So 2 cube is 8, 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 minus 1 is 5. So this is positive. So therefore, we have found out the 2 points A and B at which the function value are of opposite sign. So since the function values are of opposite signs at the 2 points A and B, we can say that one root lies between A and B. So one root lies between A and B. So now we will find out the root by using this table. So this is a little bit easier than that of the previous problem what we have done. So now here we will write on n iterations. So a value, b value, c is equals to a plus b by 2 and the function value at c. So now we have a value 1 and b value 2. So a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2. So now we came to since the value of the function and at a and b are of opposite signs, we can say that the root lies between a and b. So therefore, we go for the first iteration. So therefore, that is a plus b by 2. So 1 plus 2 by 2, that is 3 by 2, it is 1.5. So then the function value at this 1.5 is equals to 0.875. So we got the function value as 0.875. This is positive, right? Here we can observe that the function value at a is equals to 1 is negative and the function value at b is equals to 2 is positive. So therefore, I have written that one. So at a, the function value was negative and at b, the function value was positive. So this will be useful, okay? So now, as the function value at 1.5 is positive, now the interval 1 comma 2 will be reduced to 1 to 1.5. So here at the function value at 1.5 is positive. So now 2 will be replaced with 1.5. 2 will be replaced with 1.5. Okay. Right. So now the interval 1 comma 2 is reduced to 1 to 1.5. So that means we are getting closer to find the root. So initially the interval was the root was lying between 1 and 2. So now the root is lying between 1 and 1.5. So how we got this 1.5? Because at the function value at 1.5 is positive. So therefore we will replace 2 with 1.5. Now go for the second iteration. So c is equals to 1 plus 1.5 by 2. So that is equals to 1.25. Okay. So now the function value at 1.25 is equals to minus 0.2968. So we got the function value as negative. So the function value as negative means we have to replace a value. So therefore, we will replace 1 with 1.25 and this b will remain as it is, because we should always know that the root lies between those two values at which the function values are of opposite signs. So therefore, uh, so at this point, that is at 1.25, the function value is negative, and at 1.5, the function value is positive. So we have to, therefore, we have to consider these two. Okay, right. So now we have further coming closer to find the root. So now, similarly, again finding C for these two values of A and B. So that is 1.25 plus 1.5 by 2. So that is equals to 1.375. So therefore, the function value at 1.375 is equals to 0.2246. So that is positive. So once we get positive, we have to replace B value. So we have to replace 1.5 with 1.375. This will remain as it is. So this is changed. So now we are further coming closer to find the. So now similarly, therefore, again see, if we find the a plus b, again a plus b by 2, we will get the value of C as 1.3125. So now the function value at 1.3125 is equals to minus 0.0515, that is negative. So once we get the negative value, so we have to replace the a value. So therefore 1.25 is replaced with 1.3125 and this will remain as it is. Okay. So now similarly, now these two are the values of a and b at which the function values are of opposite signs. So we have still coming closer to find the root. Now again finding the value of C using these two values A and B. So the C value is 1.3437. So now the function value at this C value, that is this function value at 1.3475 is equals to 0.0826. So that is positive. So once it is positive, we have to replace the value of B. So A will remain same and now B is replaced with 1.3437. So now finding the average of these two values A and B, will get the value of C as 1.3281. So now the function value at 1.3281 is equals to 0.0144. So that is positive. So once it is positive, which one we have to replace? We have to replace the B value. So this is same. So now the A value is same, the B value is changed. See, further we are coming closer to find the, okay, right. So now this is A, this is B. Now C is equals to A plus B by 2. So we will get as 1.3281. So now the function value at 1.3281 is equals to 0.0144. Again positive. So again we have to replace B. A is same, B is replaced, because we have to find out only, we have to take only those two values of A and B for which function is positive and negative or of opposite sign. Function value is of opposite sign. So this is, for this the function value is negative and for this the function value is positive. So therefore now we will find, using this A and B, we will find C is equals to A plus B by 2, we will get as 1.3203. So the function value is at 1.3203 is minus 0.01876. So this is negative value. So the function value is almost equals to 0, right? So if you go for further step, we can stop here, because the function value, we have got the function value became equals to 0. So therefore we can stop here. So we can say that the root is 1.3203. So further, if you want to check and I go for further. So now since this is negative, so we will replace this with this one. This one is same. Again, finding the C, the function value is this one. Okay. So, but we can stop here itself. So we got almost the function value is 0 here, right? So therefore, we can say that the root is 1.320. So therefore, this is the end of our problem. So we have solved the two problems by using the bisection method. The first one was a little bit different, but now this one is using the table, and this, I think this is easy to understand uh, and do it. Okay. So now if you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for watching my videos. Thank you for watching.